There's some fish feeding right there. See if I can get onto them. Oh, they got it. Ah, shoot, they took it. Oh no, still there. Oh, that's a bite. That's a bite. Got one. Got another one. Right there. It's a smaller end. Oh, it's a black drum. I caught one of these yesterday. Caught a little black drum. That's what it is. That's what this guy was eating right now. That's what he was eating. All right. Let's see here. Open up your mouth, buddy. He's too small though, so we're gonna let him go. Look at that. A nice little fella on the black hoagies. Let me get a picture of him because this is the second one I catch on another black drum on the hoagies. I'm telling you, this hoagies deal is the real deal. I'm letting him get his air. And he's gone. He tore this up. I gotta fix this bad boy. Take him out. Make sure my tie's good, everything looks good. Keep on trucking, baby. Keep on trucking. There it is, right there. Okay, just needs a little work. We'll get him back to normal. That's it, right there. Perfect. Ooh, yeah. That was fun, dude. I was talking all this time thinking that my GoPro was on and it was off. That was hilarious. I wish I could have got that little trout. Okay, there's a lot of action here. I'm not sure if it's red or if it's just mullet, but I see a lot of movement right in there. Let me try casting in there, see. Right there. Ooh, perfect. Couldn't have done that better. Alright, so I'm going to cast over here. Got something. Ooh, it's heavy too. It's heavy. Ooh. No, 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 no. God almighty. Just caught a massive gap top. Oh. I was getting excited. I thought it was a red. He was fighting like a red, but he was just a really big gap top. All right, let's keep fishing. at the beauty. Another doormat. Yeah, buddy. Alright, let's see what we got. Let's see what we're working with. Oh yeah, this is a big sucker too. I'm gonna take him home. Look at this. Oh yeah. Okay, hold on, dude. I'm gonna help you out. Calm down. We're helping you out, my friend. Right there. God, you're strong, bro. You are strong. Look at that bad boy. He is strong. You choked this thing, man. You choked this thing. Yep. Yep. Yes, sir. Just got this guy today. Look at him. Oh, he's got some shoulders on him. He's a big boy. He's at 18 and a half inches. Yep, 18 and a half. I don't know what it is. It's got to be a flounder, but it's got to be a big one or a red. Ah! Ooh, don't lose attention. Come on, baby. Oh, shoot. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh, shoot. He's a big one. Oh, no, it's a baby red. It's a little red. No wonder he's fighting like a champ. Ah, yeah. It was about time. Oh, yeah, baby. I got me a little red. Oh gosh, that is so awesome. He's a little red, little rat red. Not bad. Yeah. Let's measure this bad boy. Okay, he is with a pinch tail, he's 18. 18 with a pinch tail. Too small. Boy, 2 more inches and you would have been good. You would have been dinner. That was a lot of fun catching that dude. It was a lot of fun catching this guy. Okay. We're gonna set you free. And he is gone. Had a great time today. It was pretty good. I caught some reds. I caught a couple of flounders, black drum, and I even caught some trash fish. I caught I caught a gaff top at one point, and I used both lure. I caught some of them on lure, and then some of them were on live shrimp. I was out here at St. Bernard River. It was just an awesome time, man. Had a great time. I am running out of daylight. I had a lot of fun. Right at the end, I caught me a little rat red. I was so happy. I don't care if he's small. It's just catching a red is just always awesome. Boy, he put a little fight, and I had a great time. I just released him. St. Bernard, it's happening right now. It's thumbs up. So if you guys want to come out here, man, get yourself some live shrimp or some lures and just come out and fish, man. I can't. I'm out of here, man. I'm out of here. That's all she wrote. Before I leave, if you like this video, give me a like. If you are new to the channel and you like this video, please click on that subscribe button. And if you And don't forget that notification bell, because that notifies you of all the other videos that I'm going to be uploading. That's it, man. That's all she wrote. Thank you so much for watching, and peace out.